It is usually a good idea to update Windows, but I'm going to show you a bad Windows update and how it clears all the files off your computer. Oh no, supposedly what happened is after the update it just deleted all my files. It just factory reset. Even everything on my toolbar doesn't even show anything. Windows released its brand new build in October 2018 which deletes your files. According to Microsoft, they say your files are unrecoverable, but we are going to try that anyway. We're going to use Recuva. So what you want to do is click download on the free version and install. After you finish installing, click Next. From there, you can individually select your document, pictures, and videos. It's better that way if you only need those specifically. However, I'm going to select all because there is also software files I need recovered. You can also select a different drive that needs recovered. In this case, you want to select Deep Scan and hit Enter. When the entire system deletes these files, it will take several hours. After Recuva has finished scanning, it's a good idea to make a new folder with all your recovered files. You might get a warning about recovery success on the same drive, but from my experience, it's not that much of a difference. First, I will go ahead and check my Adobe Premiere Pro projects and see what I can open, but notice all of them do not seem to load whatsoever. The files say they are damaged. So I'll go ahead and test the software installers. Yes, the executables, but all I am getting is errors like this one says the executable is not designed to run on Windows for whatever reason. Or this one just gives me an error code. How about all these AVI videos? It appears the program has froze, so let's try VLC. Apparently nothing happens. The loader stays frozen at 0%. These are my Save School project using Avid Media Composer, the most expensive video editing software used in Hollywood. Let's see if I can access any of them. As you can see, it just takes me to the main menu instead of the timeline. Therefore, these files are damaged. Let's take a look at the GIF pictures and see what I can save, but after scrolling through, I do not see any of them worth saving. It appears most of them are corrupted anyway. Perhaps the images I actually need are the corrupted ones. How about these Save Sonar projects? I'm getting an error message saying that the files could not be located for the project. How about these HTML saved files? Could not be found apparently, or I'm just getting these weird symbols. This one appears to work, but something I do not need. What is an applet? Maybe I have a chance with zip folders. Apparently, they appear to also not work. I wonder if I can get any of the M4V video files to work. Yet again, most of them seem to not work. Sony Vegas I use sometimes for work. I just hope these are recoverable. Unlike everything else, it claims the software is unlicensed for whatever reason. It makes no sense to me. At least I'm able to get some of the WAV files working, but I do not need these. Considering I was running off an SSD, the likeliness of recovering the files is less than a hard drive. Anyway, I bought a NAS drive through Western Digital that has a out-of-sync option where you can select the folders you want backed up to your drive automatically. However, this method doesn't back up program files. The best way to back up program files is to create an image disk where it mirrors it to another drive in case something happens. To create an image disk, it will be under Backup and Restore. There is also an option to select the NAS under Network Location or a burnable drive like DVDs.